Do you need to uninstall apps on Android? Swipe to the place where the app is located. Keep your finger on the app you want to remove. A menu with 3 options will appear. You can select it, move it to the home screen, or uninstall it. Tap on the last option, Uninstall. A pop-up asking you to confirm will appear. Tap on OK. That's it. The app has been deleted. Some pre-installed apps can't be uninstalled. To deactivate them, press and hold your finger on the app. A menu will appear. Tap on Disable. Android will ask you to confirm. Tap once again on Disable. That's it. The app has been disabled. Apps that are essential to your device, like phone or settings, won't have the option to remove or disable them. That's all it takes to remove apps on Android. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thank you.